I'm here with my Freightliner 122 SD. I'm about to try to restore the headlights. If you take a look right here, they're oxidized. They're not yellow, but they're really, really bad. So I'm gonna try to get them all shined up. I'm gonna use 600 grit sandpaper and 1000 grit sandpaper with some clear plastic cleaner and polish. Removes cloudiness, yellowing, oxidation, and fine scratches. So let's see if we can get it popping. Let's go. Not professional or anything, so this is just me restoring my Freightliner. I'm not like a expert, so if you want to comment about how I'm doing this wrong, it's all good. It's all for fun.
Death in the laboratory.